right, everybody, we are here at the Wild Arctic exhibit here at SeaWorld in San Diego, California. And guess what? We have an elevator here to ride. Here it comes. It's a cage elevator. Door closes when I press the button. California Compliant Innovation Universal. Let's get a cab view and walk out the window. Definitely a nice elevator. £8,900 capacity. Interesting number. Here's your permit. Montgomery KONE. Close the door. That's the phone. One last cabin. This is a nice elevator, actually. This is very nice. Here at the Wild Arctic exhibit at SeaWorld in San Diego, California. Now we're gonna get off the elevator. Sorry. Nope, you're good. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.